Deb. I'm back. If you're new here, welcome. We're so glad to have you. And today I have a Macy's Spa Day staples. And it says on it, $49 with a $110 value, but I know I didn't pay $49. So it must have been on sale because I think I only paid like $15 for it. But I thought, we'll get this. I'll write the price on the screen how much I paid for it, because plus you get $5, a $5 coupon off your next beauty purchase. But I got this because I'll be honest with you. I got dry through a bag. I'll be honest with you, I've seen the Macy's box, beauty box, and I'm not impressed. They have a waiting list, and more power to you, because I'm not spending, what is it, $15 of my money for 5 little tiny samples. No. For samples of stuff that I know I can't afford. And most samples that small, you're not really even going to know if you like it or not. You're just not going to know. So I thought this was a better way to go. So I thought, well, we'll get this. And I've got another similar. But this is from Macy's. It was created for Macy's. And it said representative product photos may not be to scale. Well, imagine that. But on the back, I ordered mine online, and I'll leave all the links and stuff below. But on the back, it shows you everything listed. So you got quite a bit of stuff in here. But I'm just, cute little bag. It's a cute little bag. Bigger than Ipsy's bags. And you open it up, and look, stuff's wrapped up. Everything's wrapped up in it. Okay. And then there was filler paper, but now we got, it was made, the bag's made in China. Here's just some silica gel. You know, if you save that enough, you can dry, enough of those, you can dry flowers in. You gotta save a whole lot. Okay, that's trash. That's trash. Let's do it this way. Okay, now I'm gonna take these out one item at a time. There's supposed to be 10 items in here, so. But I'll leave the link. I thought it was a good deal. Well, I know I didn't pay $50. I paid $50 for nothing. That is not me. Okay, here we have Rose Eye Gels. Serve chilled. Patchology. Just to chill them before you put them on. Put them all back in this bag right here. Then we have Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel. Visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting, and sweeping away. Gel exfoliant. And that's what that looks like. And it's 15 mils or half a fluid ounce. Then here's Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. Hydrate. Knew it. And it's 7 mil or 0.24 ounce. Let's see. Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable? I don't know how you're really going to tell if you like this stuff out that little bit, but I don't think you really need that much of this stuff. I'll use that tonight and get back with you on that. I'll just have me a spa day. This is GLAMGLOW Brightmud Dual Action Exfoliating Treatment. It looks like that. Open the box. Let's see. Let's see. AHA, BMA, niacinamide, and vitamin C. You know, look. Look. Hello, sexy. Wait a minute. Hello, sexy. I thought that was cute. And it's another one of these little tiny things. So there's that. And here's our $5 off our Deluxe beauty purchase. Off a $20 beauty purchase. And this is Good Girl Carolina Habanera. It's so good to be bad body cream. I'll open this. Because I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. I'm not good at singing that song, but I'm having trouble with my voice again. Allergies, you see. And this is 3.4 fluid ounces, and it's 100 ml. It's nice packaging. Good. That's me. I'm a good girl. My goodness. My stomach has not been happy today. I don't know what's wrong with it. Well, I know what's wrong with it. Everything. It's got a nice scent to it, but I will be honest, I wouldn't want to wear it with a perfume because it's a strong scent, so it would probably compete with your perfume. But it's nice. It smells good. Don't get me wrong. You know. It does smell good, but it would, I think, it's fading now, though. Of course, maybe I'm just getting used to it, too. But it does seem like it would compete with your perfume if you wore it. And then she stutters as she goes. And here we have Belif, Believe in Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Increased hydration level, 70%. Not for individual sale. Let's see. Old Vanna, she ain't worried about her job right now, is she? That's that. Ooh. I did not expect that. It's a little top hat. But this is what it looks like. And it's a gel. That looks like snot. Feels good though. Feels good. Smells good. And I would think a little bit of this would go a long way. This is 10 mils and it's a third fluid ounce. But I think a little bit of that would go a long way because it's very... This is gel and it's soothing. It's very soothing. This is what we need, girls. Volumizing Serum-In-Moisturizer. Minnow Reverse. That's what it's called. Minnow Reverse. That's what we need. Utilization. I don't know. Can't read it. It's too small. Now, people, yeah, talking minute release, you should know that we got no eyes. And it's sealed. Of course it's sealed. White pine. I kind of think it's for your hair, because what else would you want to volumize? I don't know what else you'd want to volumize. Sure that ain't your hips. Let's just try it. Did it puff it up a million? No. I mean, like straw is what it did. that'll be one I'll have to check into further, and I'll leave something on the screen explaining what it is. And this is a deep hydration hand mask. Told you, I'm having a salon day, buddy. And La Vie est Belle. This is a perfume sample. Now, we don't want it to be confused with this perfume there. Yeah, they said it wasn't the exact sizes. You friggin' think? You knew this was not that size. But we're going to smell it anyway. Because we've come this far. It's going to smell like... Smells good. Look at my arms just wobbling. Smells good. It's kind of hard to describe. I'll just leave it in there. And again, the stuff you want to know, they write so small that you can't. I just wanted to know what notes were in it so I could describe it, but as you can see, they've written it so small I can't even see it with my glasses on. So I may have to, wait a minute, this might be a clue. There's, oh, I see, you're supposed to tear it open. It doesn't tell you anything. Doesn't tell you a thing. I thought maybe it'd be a clue, but no, it didn't tell you a thing. You'd think it would say, oh, florals with a hint of mud, or something like that. Whatever it is. I don't know what it is. I can't describe it. And then here's Maracuja Tart. Maracuja lip, juicy lip. And it's in this color. Rose. And that's all wore off already. I did have someone start a video. This is what it looks like. And it's made by Tarte. Oh. I don't get around much. Oh, I see. It's one of these. Let me just do it till it gets up there. I don't like these colors you're coming out with. You know, honestly, there's no color to it. It's like, why bother? Why would I bother doing that? There's no color to it. It doesn't add anything. You know, and if it's to be more inclusive of people of color, well, that's fine. But don't exclude us just because you're including them. You can make 2 different colors. Because we all want to be beautiful princesses. So that was that bag. And I'm sure I didn't pay over $15 for it. I'm telling you. But that's, you know, still a better value than what their beauty bag is. Because I think their beauty bags, quite honestly, I went to the waiting period because they put you on a wait list first. You know, because they're so special. And then they said, oh, well, your number's up. Do you want to join, you know? I went over there and I looked at it. And I didn't want that stuff. I didn't want it. So I declined. And I thought, this is a much better way to go. Just do this. So, but I will put all the prices and everything on the screen. And let you know exactly what I did. I'll leave all the links below. And hey, thanks for joining us on this happy Sunday. Well, it's Sunday for me because that's when I'm recording it. I don't know what day it is when you're watching it. But oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps. Helps us all. Bye.